Look on the consonant them now. Them in a red. B, as in Bible. Ch, church, tree. Anytime you hear the ch sound, a CH. D, dog, dumpling, darkest. F, feather, pharmacy, photo. F, are always F. G, goat. The next sound you know with H and N make. This a sound you know in English, none at all. You know that sound like when you chat up in your nose hole? Kya, wah. Anytime you have a word where you say in a Jamaican and you want to write the part of it, you use H and N. Then you have J, judge, Jamaica, grudge. So you see that DG something the way in a English, in a Jamaican. Anytime you make the J sound, a J. So in a Jamaican, Germany start with J. Then you have K, the K. Now, you know how sometimes the C in a English can use for the K sound? That not in a Jamaican. So you say K, cat. Cat start with K in a Jamaican. Anytime you make the K sound, a K. Simple as that. And if you look on the alphabet, them you will see say C no in then none at all. The next alphabet are L. That a regular L sound like in a English. Lamp. Then you have the M. Same regular M sound. Mango. Menke. Then you have N. The same N sound like in a English. So nose. Nyaka nyaka and so. Then you have the NG sound. That same sound the way you get at the end of king. Right? Bing, wing. Alright. The next sound are P, the P sound. Pillar, pork, porky. Then you have R, the R. Run, round, rooster, reggae. Then you have S, the S, same like in English. Sing, sweet, soursop. Then you have sh, the SH sound there. Shark, shame, sugar. Then you have T, same T, like in English. Table, tell, total. You have V, the V, like in a vex and vote. Then you have the double. The double are same like the English double. Wool, weight, wake. Then you have Y, yam, yellow, youth. You have the Z sound, Z, like in a zoo.